The first class I took was very interesting. It quickly proved to me that I have the capability to hypnotize people. I have zero fear of putting somebody in hypnosis these days. I have zero fear of bringing them back, and I'm positive that I can help them with just about any problem they have that is not like I'm not going to be able to cure cancer or something like that, but I can help them deal with nausea, deal with various other body problems that you wouldn't think are caused by the mind. I'm very impressed with what I've been able to do to this point. I was blown away when it happened to me as a client. So going from there, finding more and more that can be done with it, finding more and more things that the limit's really your imagination, what you can do with it. And I was like shocked to find that out. It's like there does not seem to be a limit that I've encountered yet as to what can be done with it. I'm probably the least metaphysical and spiritual person out there. I think like an engineer. I don't care why it works. I just care that it works. And because of that, I want to take it, I want to place it, and I want to find it how places it fits and other ways I can adapt it. And the theory of why it works really doesn't matter that much to me. There's a couple of people I helped that I literally could not be helped by a medical doctor for what was going on for them. The medical doctor basically said, "You're on your own," and they came to me, and I was able to help them. And I felt so good about that. I I don't know if I actually saved somebody's life with it, but I came pretty close. It is very impressive. I mean, I can't believe it almost. It's like I joke about it a little bit saying it's the closest thing to being a magician in the real world. It's like you have powers that everybody has, but you're able to apply them better.